So there's a possum stuck under my fence, and I'm trying to help it. I tried digging it out, but it didn't really like that. So I think I have to grab it by its little tail. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to hurt it. Sorry, little guy. Ready? I don't want to hurt you, bud, but I gotta. I'm sorry. Oh, you're like stuck. Okay. I gotta dig underneath you, okay? If I dig underneath you, you'll be able to get out. Sorry, bud. Look. Oh, I'm sorry. You got room? You got a big butt. I'm sorry. Can you straighten your neck? Try to straighten your neck. Go out that way. Go out that way. No, out that way. If you go out that... You just bite me. Just bite that. You can't do that. Come on. I'm gonna pull you out. Really? You little shit. Come on. Don't do it. I'm trying to help you here.